Okay, so it's competition time. So this is your chance to win 2 hours of professional video editing time from us. Okay, all you have to do to enter the competition is create a client Christmas message. So create a nice little client Christmas message video, has to be a video, to your clients. And to be honest with you, you should be doing this anyway. You should be creating a lovely little Christmas message video for your clients. Okay. So the best one you can enter via the WeTransfer link on our website, and the best one will win 2 hours of free video editing. Okay. Your entries have to be in before the end of play. That's 5 o'clock on the 30th of November. I'm going to be doing loads more posts about this. You've got a month and a bit to get this in. All right. Cheers then. Good luck.